So here's another wood pile we have from our truck camper Yukon build. We had to take it apart because we didn't put fiberglass on it, so of course with just wood it disintegrated. So we're going to use scrap wood to make the Catio shelves. So I dug this piece out here. This looks like it's going to work perfectly. For the corner, it does not have a shelf. We're getting there. If you like our video, please hit the subscribe button. It really helps out our channel. And if you want to see more DIYs or travel, please subscribe and hit that like button as well. So here's what it looks like right now. We'll go in there, show you around. Hopefully kitties don't get out. Okay. Hi, Fortune. Magic! Fortune! So, right now we've got this one shelf right here. And over there, and we're gonna have to got these supports holding this one up, but I didn't want to put another one here because of the angle where I come in. I didn't want to bonk my head, so I have to support this. And I'll just attach these with a piece of wood. Just attach these right here somehow with a piece of wood. That's why I blocked up here. There's gonna be some grass going on there to block this hole. So I had to put that in there, which I probably would have did anyway for more space. But I had to put these in so that my older 17-year-old cat has some protection against falling off those. Still have to cut here. Have to cut this off. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it here or not. Probably not. Bad steps. And yeah, they seem to like it. They spend every day out here. So for today, get more shelves. That piece I'm gonna add here, from here all the way over here, and then put another shelf there. And that is the plan for today. I'm gonna have to start measuring. 4 feet. By 18 inches. Oh, exact size. Nice. 18 inches there. We're gonna have it stick out. So I'm gonna grab these I made before to put up our shelf. That's gonna be a problem. So I have to cut that out. Now, just have to make it level. There you go. I want to build a bridge for the cats. So probably here. Yeah, we'll do it right there. Nice. Okay, so we got this shelf in now. And then this one's gonna go down here. This one here. And then with legs. Or something. Yeah, probably legs. And then we're gonna have to cut a hole here. Make some stairs going down. Okay, now we got a hole in it. And we're ready to put it up. Okay, now we're ready to screw it in. Okay, now to put this one in and then get some stairs there. Yeah. Maybe one more. If you like our cat video, please consider hitting the subscribe button. It really helps out our channel. And yeah, we have a lot more travel and DIY videos to come. Hit the like button. I was gonna do the rope idea. Make a bridge go from here to here, like that. But I think I'm gonna go with putting this here, making a path for them, like that. And I could put different sizes on too if I wanted to. And let's do that for here. Yeah. Different heights should make it a little bit more fun for them, hopefully. Wasn't my plan, but I'm gonna go with it. So that's what I have cut. Make it easier. I'm sure the cats won't mind. Okay, and oh, good. That already works. Ta-da! Okay, one more. Ouch! Have to angle it a little bit. Yes, these are a little too long. There. I just need to fix this. Here. And That's done, that's done. And now another step for that. Now I'm building one last step stool for the last step. I'm gonna build it like this and have it going like this. Okay, now to finish this step. Cut out 4 of these. We're gonna nail them on. In there. There you go. That's better. Yeah, that works. Just added some final touches. Forgot about the grass. Fake grass. Carpet. Put on. There. Now it is complete. For the winter anyway, till I build more.